Hey, what's going on, YouTube? It's a great day. I finally made it back out to Michigan. Gonna do another video for you guys. Hopefully I can edit this one a lot better. I'm finally back out in Michigan. I'm doing some smallmouth fishing out here on the river in my kayak. Stay tuned. Alright, so what I did was I'm going to switch up my lures. I was using a frog, but I'm going to use this new lure right here. I'll bring it in for you. A little $1 popper. Hopefully I can catch something. Got one. Sick. It's swimming right towards me the whole time. Just a little guy. Holy cow. Cool. First fish. First fish. Just a little guy. Beautiful river smallie. I'm gonna go for the nice release. I think I just missed an opportunity. I just saw a bunch of bait jumping. I'm gonna hit that rock. That was cool. This is a little better one. Just a little better bass. Look at him. Man, smallmouth are strong. Oh, he's barely hooked. This is that part about this. Alright, look at that. That's a nice little smallmouth. Little smallmouth. Alright, let's release him. Actually, let's get the underwater release. Holy crap. This is a big one. I'm glad I'm not anchored up. Where does he take it? Oh yeah. Jeez, he's swimming towards me. Oh, great. Oh, yeah. That's number 3. He was an aggressive one. Man, I hope my GoPro's set up right. Alright, I'm gonna let him go. Underwater release. Oh. That was sick. That was so cool. Fish on. Oh, jeez. drop my anchor. That's a nice little one. Glad these hooks are super short. Oh, he's got a crawdad in his mouth. I'll show you this. It's kind of gross. Look in there. Crawdad. Nice fish. Release. And then he's gone. Alright, we've drifted down the river just a bit. We had a big long sandbar. Let's see if we can find anything next to these rocks. Alright, that shade transition is. There we go. He's swimming towards me, swimming towards me, swimming towards me. He's just flying upstream. Holy cow. Cool. Wait, am I recording? Yeah, I am. Nice fish. They're hitting it towards the head. That's good. Ah, that was a big drought. Not a giant, quality river smallmouth. Look at his eye. Looking at me. Alright, let's release him. Gone. I only have one of these poppers. So, hopefully, I should be checking my line.
No! No! That was a big one. No! There goes my popper.
Alright, the craziest thing just happened. So, you saw me break off on that smallmouth bass. And, he was jumping out of the water. And I was like, please throw the lure. And guess what he did? I got my $1 popper back. I only have one of these. And it's been catching the fish today. I've been throwing it on 8-pound test like a fool. I think I'm going to go tie it straight to braid. And then we'll stay hooked up. Stay tuned. Alright, so I found a good spot, finally. And right where I lost that bass that spit the lure, and I got the lure back, the $1 popper, I switched up to a jig. So hopefully I can hook up on a big one. I just lost one, so I decided to put the GoPro back on. Now I've got the chesty mount. There we go. That's a nice one. Yes, this is a nice one. Oh yeah. Alright, this is the biggest one of the day. There we go. Jeez. Well, I had him in my hand for a little bit. Dang, I wanted to show you guys that one. He's still under my kayak too. Let's see if we can see him. Man, I wish I would have been able to hold that fish up. He was good. 2 pounds. Oh! This is a good one too. Oh, man, this is a nice one. No, he got off. No. Nope. There's a big rock. Oh my gosh. I don't know if that... There we go. Keep his head down. This is a nice one too. Oh, this is... I think this might be bigger than the last one. Alright, there we go. Nice smallie. Yeah, I guess I can measure him real quick. Just over 14 inches. But he's got a belly. I'm a really good fisherman. It would happen first cast though. Oh! Little guy. 10 inches maybe? 11. Just a little guy. And he says bye. Alright, I finally decided to move from that spot. There we go. I don't even have to fight him, I just reel to him. It's a nice one. Nice one. Really nice one. Ooh, this is my biggest one yet. Maybe, if I can land him. He doesn't want to be caught. Oh yeah, this is a chunk, holy cow. Look at that. That's a nice smallmouth bass. It is going, it's over 18 inches. I'll weigh it. Let's see how much it weighs. It's pretty heavy. Oh, not even 277. That's pretty good though. 277. Nice smallmouth. Long. Why you go that way? You went right under my kayak.